All right, we are looking at the Glass Castle case study assignment, okay? And I want to focus on how to set up your notebook. So we're going to click right here, how to set up your notebook. And we've got 15 steps, and they are all pretty quick, simple ones that I wanted to show you anyway. So I have to actually back up a little bit from where I was, but we're going to log into our email first. And then you're going to click over here in the top left into the menu option, and you're going to click on OneNote. That's going to open up this screen. If you have notebooks already, they will populate here, but if you don't, it will look like this, okay? The next step is to click New Notebook. From here, you're going to type in your last name, dash, Walls, family, case, study. Your last name, dash, Walls, family, case, study. And you're going to hit create. I've already created it, so I'm not going to hit it. Just going to show you what it looks like when you get there. So click on create. This is what you will see. Now let's go back to our step-by-step instructions. Log in, top left, click OneNote, new notebook, title, click create. Okay, so we've done steps 1 through 6. Now, number 7, follow the on-screen instructions to add a new section, and then we will title that section Walls Family. Got it. Okay, so we're going to click here. We're going to type in Walls Family, hit OK. All right. Now, name the first page annotated bibliography. So where your cursor already is, you're going to type in annotated bibliography. Okay? And then we're going to hit add page down here on the bottom left-ish. And then, let's check it. Click add page at the bottom. Title this page check or X. Okay. And then we're going to add another page. And we're going to call this one reflection, okay? And then add the last page, works cited. Okay, so check or X, add another page, reflection, add another page, works cited. And that's exactly what we have. We have our section for Walls Family, and then we have part 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you would like to get fancy, you can come over here and you can right click and you can even like change colors and whatnot, but do not add, stop it. Do not add anything, pretend like I wasn't clicking on that. Do not add anything other than these 4 pages and this one section. That's all you need to turn in.